a lot of people probably weren't prepared. We probably weren't hydrated properly, were we? Probably not. We've been constantly drinking water. That's why it's paramount. Even not to sound like back in the old Corps, but us senior sergeants, we've done way more than what y'all have done as far as training. There's one already in there. The 2.5-inch ply line? Yeah. There's already one in there. So the second one, I think we can. Actually, hey, you can open up that compartment. Hey, good job. You did that with your hands? I think one tight then. All right. Hey, slow down. Yeah, that's cool. We'll bring it in here and load it up with foam. Because I know a lot of these people have. Well, have you ever put foam in a P19? Well, you have? Why don't you dot inspect?
They helped us with the other ones a lot.
Okay.
I'll make sure field day gets done.
Yep. You know, like a call. That's really the biggest takeaway from it. So you lay this down where you need it. It's not really blocking up your alleys or your walkway. That's really why I do it. That gives you a different.
So everybody's aware that this happened occurred last month. Who was involved in that?
Space Fire may have jurisdiction over the buildings, but we also help them. And we'll take control if it's an aircraft that's the issue inside the building as well.
What drill were you trying to do?
I don't know. They're not going to tell us because it defeats the purpose of
102, runway 2, taxi via Foxtrot 2, Foxtrot, Bravo Bravo.
And this is a pretty busy airfield as far as the community. Say it's not that big of a deal. And right here is a helicopter runway.
Proceed via Foxtrot.
Unknown location of which break it is. I'm sending my rescue.
Turn off on that 1 runway 2 at about 1. Do you have any request for? Okay, we're going to ground there. 237.
Roger that.
Clear.
We'll get you right. Fox 1, 2, 3. You take lead. It'll take a little bit longer. I don't want the candy out. I appreciate it. What time? A little bit for them. I understand the truck.
Romeo 6, thank you.
Stop at this time. We're going to move the apparatuses out of the way and follow back to this line.
That's money right there, man.
Hey, you don't play baseball,
I like the whole hospital scene, so
He's chilling with Kaepernick.
it smells weird all the time.
As long as you back up safely, and we got backup cameras on most of the trucks, you can back out. That's another egress route. And then here's 27 sitting right here. I'm looking at the pilot, talking to him on the death. That's why I didn't have the point. Don't worry about the point. I'll cover that here in a second once the start of the is done.
I was directly in front of the aircraft. I was
Right
right
on the nose.
I was right at the nose.
Dude, don't argue with me because I was right behind you. I saw where you're parked at.
Yeah.
Like I said, you were like right here. Nope. You're still in the good zone. You ain't gonna argue with me. I'm right here.
Call reverse.
Our offense can always drive it, but our defense ain't doing anything.
You know what?
So just like, let's do that. Make a big scene.